Are you excited a bit?
Yeah.
About what?
Bike and dog.
About bike. Which one do you think you're gonna ride? Which one? That one.
Hey guys.
Hello. Are you hiding?
Yeah, I'm hiding. 2 seconds.
Where is the dog?
I was out the back. I'll let him out in a second.
Okay.
How are we doing, alright?
Yeah, I'm alright, thank you. He said he's more excited about the dog than bike.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright, let's say hello.
Look.
Go.
Hey! Hey, how you been?
Hey riders and not. Today we're going to be riding electric dirt bikes. So let's go. This is going to be my one. Sur-Ron Light. Oh, the smaller and better for me.
Can you tell how old are you?
I am 12.
Do you remember the controls and everything?
Yep.
Can you tell us?
This is just the normal grip.
Mm.
That's the horn. Beep beep. That's the throttle.
Mm.
But with this, when it's on,
How do you switch it on?
This and turn it
Mm.
like that.
Yeah, and once you lift the...
Once you lift, now it won't do anything with the throttle, but once you lift the leg up, it'll go vroom.
Yeah.
And then this is the back brake, and this is the front brake. So
Okay.
this one's for wheelies, and this one's for stopies. That's how I remember it. And that's to go fast, like sport mode, and then that's the normal mode, and then that's it, basically.
Excited. Did you rode bikes before?
I've rode like kind of like a moped before.
You rode a MINI MOTO.
Yeah, but that's not really a bike.
You don't count it as a bike.
No,
Why not?
it's half the size of my leg.
So that's like your first experience of
I've
riding
ridden, like,
what you call a bike.
I've rode like kind of like a moped before.
Mm. So you think that will be similar?
I feel like the controls are the same, so but it'll be nice because I'm used to it because I'm from my bicycle. So this is my back, and I won't really use the front in case I actually reactive.
Mm. So you ride a bicycle. Just for those who don't know, there's not like I'm his mom,
What's
so
a
I know what he
bicycle?
rides. You ride a bicycle.
What's a
What bicycle do you ride? Like, do you think that will affect the way you ride a bike?
Yeah. Because with the bicycle, it's a lot of balance involved.
Mm.
It's the same kind of concept.
For now, just go around the grass, just go wherever you want. Once you feel comfortable enough, you can go onto the track, right? In terms of the bike, we've already run through, so we know that this is the kickstart, this is the kill switch, so once it's up, that throttle's live, alright? There's no sound, so it's difficult to know that it's live. Front brake and rear brake, just like a bicycle. If you're not used to using a throttle, how much riding have you actually done on this little scooter? Much or not?
2 hours.
2 hours, okay. So, if you're not used to a throttle, obviously, the main thing just to remember is you just got to let go of it to stop going. Don't worry about the front brake for starts, because some people can find it difficult doing both at the same time. So just worry about the rear brake for starters, alright? So you're just going along, off the throttle, press the brake, easy peasy, yeah? If it gets carried away and you start going too fast and you start to sort of panic, which can happen, the important thing is just to release that throttle, yeah? And then you can just coast to it. There's no further momentum. In terms of riding itself, the important thing is that with there's 3 important things, I think, and I'm no expert off-road rider. I'm just going to tell you what I got told. So when you go around a corner, don't look into the corner, look out of the corner. So if you come around a corner like this, don't look down here, because you'll do this and you'll fall over. You look out there. That's the best bit of advice I can think. So the corners, I'm going to go around here, I'm going to look over there, is where I'm going to go. That's where I'm going to follow, alright? That's the best bit of advice for going around a corner, because what you'll find is if you look down here, you'll do this. You'll do this all the time, alright? It sounds simple, but it really helps. Going up and down are the platforms. If you come over with me, I'll just show you the basics. Again, when you're riding around the track mostly, you should really be on your feet most of the time, alright? Until you hit a corner where you can sit down, and you'll see guys, they ride out with their leg down like this when they go around the corner. It doesn't really matter if you do that or not. That's only once you get, you know, some speed and all that. For now, we're just going to worry about getting round the corner in one piece. Come up and go down the mound. You can sit on it. Fine, it's not a problem if you feel comfortable. But how you should do it is you should stand up. When you go up, you should lean over the front because you're stopping the bike from doing this. And when you come down, you lean over the back. Yeah. Like a bicycle. Yep.
Yeah.
Like I say, you probably already know this, but it's good to have a refresher. Alright, you happy with that?
Yeah.
It is a lot simpler to ride when you don't have to think about changing gears. What means it is a lot simpler to start riding.
And then stop there. You know how to ride a motorcycle. There you go. Done. Easy peasy.
I wanted to ask you how was your first experience, but you just said you want to go on the track, so I guess the first experience goes well.
That's right.
What, the wheelie?
A little one, just
No, child. You want to go on the track? Okay. Nice and steady, okay? How does it feel? Like it's the first time, so does it feel like comfortable enough? Tell me all the feelings that you have, like in terms of.
This hand hurts. Don't know if it's from this or from something else. Corners are hard.
Why? Corners are like the hardest part always, so you have to learn. Jumps are fun. You like the jumps most?
Yeah, look. Really big ramp over there, and I thought to myself, it's not like good for jumps, it's just like hard to get up. I thought to myself, I'm gonna go around. What's the point? I'm here to have fun.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Show us how you're having fun. That's it, Pumpkin.
One more jump.
Okay, one last jump, and that's it.
That jump is
What is your favorite thing about the bike?
jumps.
Jumps. Why?
Fun.
Is it just fun?
I like being there.
I have to come without you to try to ride. I have to come without you to ride. No? I can't come without you? Huh? Why? Why not allowed?
Trauma we've been given now. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds. And tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's feeling different now. Feel like I'm zoned out, put my phone down, damn it's cold out. Plotting on a rollout, we took our own route. Really on our own now. These them winter schemes, plotting for better dreams, cooking flows and melodies for OGs with felonies who've been locked since the 70s. You gotta pray for enemies with jealousy. They only feed off the good-hearted. Just don't bargain.
Okay,
Stay
next
in your
time,
lane and keep hogging.
you're trying
Know that
this
you
one,
a target and gotta finish
and
what
then
you started.
the
Life of being an artist, gotta show them where your heart is. Put your all in, keep calling, keep going, don't stall it. Don't fall for what they all been dishing out. Just be yourself and it'll work it out. I wonder, is it worth living now?